My project's about art and science, and I focused it into doing rebirth and showing that through my art. So I looked at crystallization, northern lights, and the symbolism with that and rebirth. Going into art and science, being able to go into that and explore that deeper within the FNP really helped me progress my work, as I was able to explore different ideas and concepts, and I had lots of help from my teachers who gave me that inspiration and helped me to progress my work even further within those topics I wanted to do. Don't be afraid to try things that are completely out of your comfort zone, because I did work with mud and sticks and it would really help progress my work because it was really loose and free. So just don't be afraid to make your work looser instead of just find and confined sort of thing. I plan to do the HND here for a couple of years and then go and do a top-up here at another university to get my degree, and then hopefully after that do a master's in scientific illustration. So